Okay, so students of class 6, this is your classwork today. What you have to do, okay, Nida, what you have to do, you have to attempt question number 10 and question number 4 of exercise number 9.12. Okay, so first of all, open your books, exercise number 9.12. This is your exercise number 9.12 and start solving question number 10. First, you are going to solve question number 10 in copy. Hamza in copy. Okay, start solving question number 10. What is your question number 10? Question is exercise number 9.12. Question is remove the brackets and simplify. In any copy, Hamza Anjo. In any copy, beta. I am not going to check this work. Okay, question is remove the brackets and simplify. Okay, what you have to do, you have to remove it and you have to simplify it. Question here is this one, question number 10. Now what is your question number 10? A minus bracket B minus A minus B vinculum. This is called vinculum, which is over A minus B bracket close. Okay, now you have to solve it. Okay, you have to solve it. How will you solve it? First you will write down the question, so everyone please start solving it so that I can see what are you doing. Now look at here, start solving it everyone without wasting a single minute. Copy down the question, exercise number 9.12. Question is remove the brackets and simplify. Simple. You have to remove the bracket first. Now the question is which bracket you are going to remove first. Okay. Question is which bracket you are going to remove first. As you all know that we will always start from the smallest one. Okay, now look at here. How I'm going to solve it. I'm simply writing here question number 10. What is your question number 10? This is which is A minus bracket B minus A minus B vinculum bracket close. Start with the heading of solution. Start with the heading of solution here. Now look at here. What you will write here? This is the small bracket, or you can say the round bracket, but here you have a vinculum, so you have to remove this vinculum. Now what is the question here? A minus B minus A minus B bracket, and it is a vinculum. So when you have a vinculum, so the sign which is present inside the vinculum, it will be changed. If you want to remove this vinculum, how will you remove? The sign inside the bar will be changed. So it is minus, so it will become A minus B minus ऐसी रहेगा. This A will be remain same. This minus is now become plus B bracket close. Right? Turn on your camera so that I can see what are you are doing, everyone. Are you doing? Very good, Miram. Everyone, please turn on your camera. Otherwise, I'm going to put you all in waiting room. Okay, very good, Shanti Kumari. Okay, what is the next step, Shanti Kumari? What is the next step, beta? Hmm. Hmm. You will arrange it. B. Very good, very good. You will arrange it. It will be B plus B minus A. Now, what will be the next step, Shanti Kumari? Hmm. A minus. Okay, Anshir. Okay, those who are still facing problem. Now look at here. what you will do, look at here. In the next step, what you are going to do, you are going to arrange it a minus bracket b and b. So you will write it together. It has plus sign. So you will write b plus b, and this is minus a. So you will write here minus a bracket close. Okay. Now this is b plus b. So it will be added 1 and 1 is here. So you will write here a minus 1 plus 1 will be 2b minus a. Okay, right? 2b minus a. Now, what you are going to do, you are going to remove this bracket. So how you are going to remove this bracket? With the help of this minus sign. So if a bracket has minus sign, so the inside bracket sign will be changed. Okay, so it will become a minus 2b minus minus, it will be plus a. It will be plus a. How? Because if you have a minus bracket outside the bracket, so the sign inside the bracket will be changed. So simply you will write plus a, right? Now, next step, you are going to arrange it. Simply you will write a, this is plus a. Plus a minus 2b. Okay, plus plus will be plus, this is 1. It has one coefficient. So 1 plus 1 will be, answer will be 2a minus 2. This will be your answer. Is it clear? Now I'm going to check each work. Everyone works. Everyone, please show your work. Hadika, show your work. Okay, very good. So Hema, show your work. So Hema, please show your work. Where is your uniform? हाँ जी बीरम, वेयर इज योर यूनिफॉर्म बेटा? यूनिफॉर्म्स कहाँ हैं आप सबके? ओके, ऑन शेख, राइट वन. Who is this? Umar bin Salman, where is your work? Show your work, beta. Umar, I am talking to you. Show your work. Hurry up, beta. Okay, camera has been stopped. Okay, Aiza. Just suppose Hamza and Jum, I am coming. Very good, Aiza. Very good, Hamza. Good, beta. Who is this? Who is this? Abdul Rafi, show your work, beta. Abdul Rafi. Okay, Haya, I'm going to check your work. Okay, fine. Now, everyone has done. Now, start question number 4. Start question number 4. Start question number 4. Yes. What is question number 4? This one. Start this one. This is question number 4. Start this question. 2 curly bracket, round bracket, x plus 3 plus x minus 2, round bracket, close curly bracket. Start this one. Question number 4. Everyone. Start question number 4. And who is doing? Please show your work. Where is Shanti Kumari? Shanti Kumari, please show your work. Beta, what are you doing? Umema, Umar, Zen, Zen, where are you? Alina, Ariba, Abbas, Hafsa, Aiza, Salman, Ihan, Iman, Naima. I'm going to put you all in waiting room. Okay, Abdullah Irfan, now you are going to in waiting room. Everyone, please start your work. Cameras, if not turn on, then I'm going to put you in waiting room. Okay, Aisha, now you will be in waiting room. Hania, in waiting room. Zen, now you are in waiting room. Umema. Okay, Abbas Jafri, go to in waiting room because I'm going to check your work today. Hafsa, Dania. बेटा this is not the right way. मैं नहीं बिठाऊंगी अब क्लास में आपको. Yusera, waiting room. Raja Rizwan, waiting room. Naima, Shanti Kumari, Naima, waiting room. Umema, waiting room. Everyone, please start solving it. I'm going to check your work. Marusha, waiting room. Umar, waiting room. Ihan, no. Beta, this work is very important. I'm going to check your work. If you have a camera, then you can allow Abdullah Irfan go into waiting room. Iman Hasham. Beta, question number 4. You have to solve question number 4. कैमरा ऑन कीजिए, मैं अलाउ करूंगी, अदरवाइज आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू अलाउ यू. हफ्सा, वेटिंग रूम. Yes, 9.12, question number 4. 9.12, start solving 9.12, question number 4. And show your work to me right now, everyone. What are you doing? Everyone, please show it to me. Yes, everyone. Zen, now you are in waiting room. Yes, okay. Shanti Kumari, have you started? Wait a minute, Miram Vakar. Okay, now start Shanti Kumari your work. Okay, with the heading of solution, we will start. Very good. Okay, next step. In the next step, what you are going to do? Question is curly bracket x plus 3 round bracket plus x minus 2 round bracket curly bracket. Okay, now which bracket you are going to open first? You are going to open round bracket first, right? So round bracket you will open it with the sign. So outside the bracket you have plus sign. So simply you will open it without changing the sign, both the brackets. Okay, both the brackets. Simply you will write curly bracket. No round bracket here. Simply you will write x plus 3. X plus 3, then plus sign. It will be x minus 2 curly bracket. Now arrange it to curly bracket. Yes, arrange it x plus x and plus 3 minus 2 curly bracket close. Very good. Now x plus x with what it will be? Okay, Hamza. 2x plus 1. 3 minus 2 will be 1. Curly bracket. Now, outside this curly bracket, you have 2. So, you are going to multiply this 2 with both the terms which is present inside the bracket. Yes. So, what it will be? 2 multiplied by 2 will be? No. Okay, fine. Okay. 2x plus 2 multiplied by 1. Now, multiply it. 2 multiplied by 2 will be 4x plus 2 multiplied by 1 will be 2. And this is your answer. Very good. Now I'm going to check each and every one. Abdul Rafi, have you done? Abdul Rafi, Hamza, have you done? Now show your work. Hamza, show your work. Niche. Okay, very good. Now who is this? Very good, Hamza. Okay, Haya. Very good, Haya. Very good, Bete. Okay, next is this one. Who is Abdul Rafi? Okay, Abdul Rafi, where is the answer, Bete? Okay, fine. Okay, good. Okay, who is this? Hadika. Mm, okay, fine. Very good, Hadika. Miram. Very good, Miram. Okay, who is this? Suhima. Right answer. Very good. Okay, Omar. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Right answer. Who is this? Okay, now good. Now we are going to start the next one. Now the next is question is next question is this one. Attempt question number 4 of exercise 3.5. Attempt question number 4 of exercise 3.5. So everyone, please move on to exercise number 3.5. Exercise number 3.5 is on page number 49. Okay, 3.5 is on page number 49. This is exercise 3.5. Okay, and you have to attempt question number 4. This is your question number 4 and you have to attempt it. Okay, exercise 3.5 question number 4. Everyone please copy down. Please copy it down. Start copying it. Hmm. I'm also going to copy it because it is slightly different question. It may be some will be solve it and some may face some difficulty. Some of you face difficulty. That's why I'm going to copy it down. Now, question number 4. What you have? 4 divided by 4 plus 3 1 upon 5 plus 1 13 upon 15 minus 1 5 upon 7. Okay, this is your question of exercise number 3.5. Question number 4. Question number 4. Right? May I start? Dilaves, please listen. Everyone, I'm going to explain it and if you have to listen it and then attempt it. Okay, Haya, are you ready, students? Are you ready? May I start? Hmm? कैमरा अभी भी बहुत सारों का नहीं ऑन. Okay, now look at here. What you have here. Okay, everyone please be active. मुझे quickly reply कीजिएगा in the chat box. Everyone. Okay. Now we will start with the heading of solution. Okay, we will start with the heading of solution. Now, first what you have in this bracket, in this question you have divide sign, plus sign and minus sign. Okay, divide sign, plus sign and minus sign. But before that you have this mixed fraction. So in the first step we are going to convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction while rest of the thing will remain same. Plus, now 5 multiplied by 3 is 5 multiplied by 3 is 15. 15 plus 1 will be 16 upon 5, right? Understand? Then plus sign, 15 multiplied by 1 is 15 and 15 plus 13, what it will be? 15 plus 13, please tell me the answer. 15 plus 13 will be, hurry up, Yes, Arina Salman. Answer will be 28 upon 15 minus, okay, 7 ones are 7. 7 multiplied by 1 is 7. 7 1, 7 plus 5 will be what? 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5 is 12. Okay, this is the first step, right? Now, in the next step, what you are going to do, what you have here, you have this divide sign, right? You have this divide sign. बेटा ये divide की sign है, sorry, इसको सही कर लीजिए. This is basically the divide sign. Okay, this is the sign of division, right? Very good, Meeram. Okay, here you have the sign of division. So for sign of division, what you will do, you will take the reciprocal of it. Okay, how you will take the reciprocal of it? 4 will remain same. This is divide, so it will become multiply. This is 4, so reciprocal of 4 will be 1 upon 4. This is plus sign, which is 16 upon 5. Then multiply divide sign, so it will be multiply by 20, sorry, 15 upon 28 minus 12 upon 7. Okay, now everyone please tell me what we will do next. Please tell me, is it clear? Okay, what will be the next step? Which sign we are going to solve next? Which sign we are going to solve next? We will do cancellation. Okay, how we will do cancellation? We will make the brackets, है ना? इसको cancel कर सकते हैं. इसमें cancellation, these two terms are multiplying with each other as well as these two terms, right? Right? Now how will you cancel it? 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15. 16 और 28 को किससे कट करें? प्लीज टेल मी. 16 एंड 28 को किससे कट करें? Okay, student, please tell me. For 4 are 16 and 28. What about 28? 4 6 are 28. 4 6 are 28. Are you sure? 4 7s are 28. Okay, very good. Now, what will be left in it here? 1 multiplied by 1. So, answer will be only 1 of this bracket. No need to write here divided by 1. Okay, this plus sign. Now, 4 multiplied by 3 है, so we will write 4 multiplied by 3 upon 1 multiplied by 7 minus 12 upon 7. Okay, minus 12 upon 7. Now simply multiplied it will become 1 plus 4 multiplied by 3 is 12 upon 7 minus 12 upon 7. Okay, what we will do next? What we will do next? What we will do next? Cancel it. Which will? Okay, now look at here. Same number, 12 upon 7, 12 upon 7. And opposite signs are there. One has plus sign and one has minus sign. So plus minus will be 0. Simply cancel it. So what will be left here? Only 1. So the answer will be 1. This is your answer. Now please tell me, is it clear? And if you have done, so please show it to me. Everyone. Everyone, please show it to me. Start your work. Okay, Aiza. Okay, fine. Umar bin Salman. Okay, fine. Abdul Rafi. Okay. Hania. Okay. Jawad Kareem. Okay, good. Hamza. Okay, good. Umema, where is your work? Dilaves. Dilaves, where are you? Better show your work. Okay, Suhema. Okay, fine. Miram. Okay, now. Then, now everyone, just open your books. Everyone, please open your books. I'm going to mark some important points in your book. So, open page number 160. Page number 160. Everyone, and now listen to me. Page number, yes, Miram, it's okay, fine. Now, everyone, please open page number 160. And I'm going to highlight some important definitions there. Page number 60. Now look at here. Exercise number 11.5 and 11.6 is included, right? 11.5 and 11.6 is included. So obviously some important definitions regarding 11.5 is this one, vertical angles, one of the most important definition. So kindly mark it. What is the definition of vertical angle? Two angles, okay, mark it in your book. Two angles whose arms are two pairs of opposite rays are called vertical angles, okay, whose arms are two pairs of opposite rays, so they are called vertical angles. Everyone please mark it. Hurry up, this is very important class, this is very important work. Everyone, okay. Next you have this one, complement and supplement. So this could be asked in the MCQ section. Now look at here, these blanks are very important, these blanks are very important, okay. You have to prepare these blanks, everyone, this is the important one, right? Now move on to the next one. On page number 162 you have the definitions of parallel and intersecting lines, okay. Here you have the definition of parallel and intersecting lines. So what is the definition of parallel lines? Coplanar lines, okay, coplanar lines which do not intersect. These are the coplanar lines. Coplanar lines are those lines that lie on one plane, okay. So these are two coplanar lines but which do not intersect, okay, intersect na kare, kisi bhi point pe join na kare, they are called parallel lines, okay. And this is the very important, the sign for parallelism is this one, two parallel lines just like this. This is a sign for parallelism and this is very important. You should know how will you represent parallel lines. Okay, so mark it. This is important, right? Are you doing? Okay, fine. Then, okay. Next is this one, intersecting lines on page number 163. Next page. Move on to next page, page number 163. This is intersecting lines. Okay, what are intersecting lines? Coplanar lines which do intersect. Okay, please keep it in your mind, which do intersect. Okay, if do not aa jaye, agar do not aaye, so that will be parallel lines. If you have which do intersect, they are called intersecting lines. Understand? Clear? Mark kara aap sabne ye. Done? Next is this one, Playfair's axiom. I have explained it in detail. Now you can mark it here. According to this axiom, two intersecting lines. How many intersecting lines? Two intersecting lines. These are two intersecting lines, this one and this one. Two intersecting lines cannot be parallel to a third line. Which is third line? This one. So these two intersecting lines cannot be parallel to the third line. So this is called basically Playfair's axiom. This is called Playfair's axiom, right? Mark किया आपने? Anshe, what are you doing? Haya, mark कर रही हैं आप? Okay. Now move on to page number, next page. Okay, now before that, here you have alternate angles, corresponding angles, and right angles, allied angles definition. Right? Now, where are those definitions here? On page number 164. Okay. Alternate angles, I have explained it in the last lecture if you remember it. Alternate angles, this is the alternate angle. So alternating angles are, both are interior angles and both are on the opposite sides of the transversal. They are called alternate angles or simply alternate angles. Mark it. Okay. Now next is corresponding angles. Next is corresponding angles. For corresponding angles, what you will write? Okay, on share. One of them is interior and the other is exterior. Look at here. One is interior and other is exterior. एक interior है, एक exterior है. And they are on the same side of the transversal. Transversal की एक ही side पर है. And they are not adjacent. Right? Mark it, everyone. After that, mark the allied angles. These are allied angles. Both are interior angles, just like this. Both of them are interior angles, and both are on the same side per in transversal, right? So kindly mark it. Hurry up. Then okay, this is important. Okay, now next is this one: triangles and quadrilaterals. Triangles and quadrilaterals, page number 167. Page number 167, chapter number 12, triangles and quadrilaterals. Very important. Number one, a figure. Okay, time is running out. Okay, time is running out. We are going to start it in the next class. Okay, tomorrow we have a class, right? So we are going to start it in tomorrow's class, right? Till then, I would like to say Allah Hafiz to all of you. If you have any question, if you want to ask anything, please write it down in the chat box. I am repeating again, today is your mocks day, and I'm going to post your mocks on page at 1 o'clock. Okay, is it clear? Please be ready, please be there, everyone, and be attentive and try to solve it within the given time span, right? Clear? Okay, do you have any question? Do you have any question, Beta?